Hi there, here is teacher Miriam from Spain, and I'm going to teach you in short what we are going to do to start the eTwinning project. So first, when you log in eTwinning space, you're gonna see the home page as I do, and here you see that the latest update is mine and tells you to create a logo for our project. How to do this, think about the logo. Here you just have information, then you have to go to pages, and in pages you see there is a page called logo. In logo you see the info, upload here the logo you designed for a project. Then vote for the ones you like. The most liked one will be our project logo. So first you have to create painting or designing with the computer a logo for a project. Then when it is ready, get it into your computer and click add item. As you do this, this is going to appear. In title, write your name and surname. And then in description, just write what it is. So I will write Miriam Ramos, and in description, Miriam Ramos logo, and in description I would write, for example, world between Spain and Hungary, for example. Then you should check you have to click image and select the image from your computer. To get a picture from your computer, you have to click drag image here, and then you're ready to choose a picture from your computer. Just select it, click open, and when it is ready in here, click it again. You will see this in your eTwinning space, and then click save. When you do this, this is ready for the rest to vote them. Then we will have here lots and lots of logos, and you have to choose which one you like. You have to choose the best one. Then for voting the logo, you have to go to forum. In forum, there are chats in which we can talk to each other. Here we have a common forum for everybody to talk about the countries, and this is the logo forum. When you log in, there is a thread opened, which is your favorite logo for the project. Here you can reply, okay? So that you can click in the thread and write a reply. My favorite logo is Clara's one, for example, and then click submit to up your response, okay? The logo that gets more votes will be our logo. So good luck and enjoy the project. Bye!